So hello everyone. Today we'll discuss how to create the awareness campaign for your mortgage loan service. So look at that. There is many options here, and the first option is the awareness campaign. When your industry and when your service is new for the social media, so first of all we just create some awareness campaign for the audience trust. So that is very more important things for you create the awareness campaign and introduce yourself for your audience, introduce yourself for your customer, so they can know that, and you can put down the another options for the traffic campaign and leads campaign for the after. First of all we just aware yourself and your product and service for the audience, so that's why we can create the awareness campaign. So now we can create some select the continue option, and look at that. The main part is our first of all we select our campaign name. So I write the awareness campaign here. So we just put down your name, your campaign name for as you wish. I just write the awareness campaign. Okay, the date was 03/06/2026. Okay, and just write the number. The campaign number is 15. Okay, and still look at that. There is the two options here, the campaign level budget or the asset level budget. So manually I just use also the every campaign for the campaign level budget, so that's the very pretty much good for us. And our daily budget we write the $15 per day. And the main option is we see that there is the option here, the special category options. So look at there the special category, the financial part, the employer part, housing part, and the political or socially issues. So so this campaign for our the service, the mortgage loan, the real estate, so this kind of service the introduce under the housing. So I select the housing options, and the main things is the we can select the special category option, the audience segment label. We don't use the targeting some gender or the age groups. So look, this is second part. I just see that's the second part. And look at that, our campaign is running the United States, the specific location also. And I just select the next option. And first of all we select the name of our of our asset level. So I select the name here. Okay, the asset level name is asset level, the interest based audience. And look at that, there is many option here, the performance goal, the maximum number of reach on your ad, the maximum number of impression, the maximum ad the reach lift, and the maximum number of play through, and the 2-second continuous your video. What is your goal? So my goal is audience, the maximum number of audience. So we see that our ads and see and the knowledge for ourselves. So I just use the first option, the very best good option here, the maximum number of reach of your ads. So I just use it. And the frequency level, I use the frequency level, the last 7 days, the maximum 2 times the audience see our clips. So I just use the recommendation one. And see that our location here, I select our location. Our location is the Philadelphia state, so I select the Philadelphia. And okay, look at that. That is our location is almost done, the 15 kilometers for the Philadelphia. And the main part is I told you that the second thing is we don't use the age group or gender because we use the special category. And now we select our detailed targeting options and select the detailed targeting. And that is our targeting option, the very much good targeting for us. Look at that, the home equity loan, the mortgage loan calendar loan credit, the first time home buyers, for the genders, for sales or buyers, the real properties, the status home, the GLO, this kind of keywords very much good for the mortgage loan service. So I put down one by one and very specifically, so we just see that. So I select that the home equity loan. And also the Meta automatically recommended that this kind of targeting. So I select that the home equity loan for the credit. And also I select that home equity loan. And also I select the loan. And also the mortgage loan. The next one is the mortgage loan calendar also. The first time home buyers for real estate, these kind of people are very interested for the mortgage loans. And look at that, the GLO, this is very good. So this kind of targeting, so mainly in 2026 targeting is not very good factor, major factor, but you probably start your business, so this time use targeting is very much good. They're very much important because Meta don't know about your service, about your ad account, about your pixel. So first of all, your target is how to learn your Meta. So first of all, you create the awareness campaign, the lead campaign, traffic campaign, engagement campaign, whatever you say, the like campaign also you can use the targeting. First of all, first 1 or 2 months you can use the targeting campaign, and then we can Meta learn about you and give some data for you yourself for the Meta. Then we can use the advanced plus AI option, the open targeting, this very much good targeting for this time. But first of all, we just use the targeting option. And now we select I hope and select, I don't use the any kind of placement option here. Look at that, the Facebook, Instagram, the audience network, threshold, the messenger also. So I don't touch any kind of things about it, because Meta also know that what kind of placement people are very interested for this Morgan service, so I don't touch it. And now we can select the next options here. So our second part is almost done. Our first part is a campaign level of the campaign level things. Our campaign level is the campaign name, the budgeting, and the category options. And the second things is our targeting. So I select our targeting options, the maximum number of people I visit our ad or say our ad, and the frequency. The last 7 days is 2 times our people visit our video and see our videos. And the location and the age group and gender is not usable because we use the special category. And also we select the some of the major targeting also, and we don't use any kind of placement. And the third option is we select our ad. So that's the very main part. We use the content here. So look at that, we use the first video, and we select the manually manually put down our videos and segment. So we select our videos. Okay, so first of all we select this video for our awareness campaign. I use the multiple 2 or 3 videos for one ads, so I use that. Okay, and okay, so now we can use our we use our the primary text. So this is our primary text, and I also this primary text here. Okay, and just go to this little bit adjustment here. Okay, okay, so this is but little bit adjustment here. We can use also the another multiple primary text as you wish, but I use the only the one for the example. And I use the headline also. So look at that, that is the headline. And I also use the primary the description part. So I use these 3 option for our description. Okay, so I use that for the description. Sorry, this is the description option. And I use the normally the button. The button is what the learn more. Okay, so that's very pretty simple. And we don't use any kind of conversion here, that existing conversion heads. So look at that, we select our the every placement, what kind of how the people see our videos. So look at that, there is the Facebook feed, the Facebook feed, and also the Facebook story, the Facebook marketplace. And look at that, the Instagram, the profile feed, the threads feed. So there are different kind of placement of different kind of audience see our ads. So now we can use the another ad here. So I just duplicate the quick duplicate here. And now we can remove our past content. I just removed the content and put down the new one. So we can use the another content. So I use this content here. Okay, I use this type of contents, and I select the remove the name, put down the new name here, don't copy it, and the 2 videos. Okay, so I use another video also. So we can try to use the multiple content for one ad. So Meta algorithm is very much strong right now, so they can put down the perfect audience, the perfect content, and your ad performance is developed by day. So that is very important for you use the multiple content. You will use only the one image or all one video, so this performance need very down for the first time. So you use the first of all very good content, very good strategy, very good planning and targeting. So meta all obviously put down your better result. So look at that, our campaign setup is almost done, and I just write the publish. Our campaign is published. So main part is I use the awareness campaign, and today I run the public campaign, and I monitoring the campaign last after 7 days, and there is any improvement here. I can improve the day by day, but not I can publish the campaign right now, and the campaign is not performing that, and I just off that. And I put down the off the campaign. So that is not a very good strategy. You can publish your campaign, and minimum you can see that campaign 4, 5 or 1 week, then you can decide that the campaign is off or on. So I hope I can try the better for my better visualization for the how to create the awareness campaign for your mortgage loan service. If you have any question here, so you can just knock me on my WhatsApp. So I hope you can understand the properly. So it's for today guys, I hope you can understand that, and let's see the next video. So thank you.